Okay, division fact here. What is division fact again? Once again repeating here. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So when you learn what it is, that is dividend, and with what we are dividing, that is the divisor. That is divisor. Quotient, the answer is what? Quotient, and the remainder nothing is left from the denominator. Remainder is 0. So dividend is equal to divisor is what? Y. What we are dividing, that is y into quotient. What we got here? Dy square plus 2y plus 1, and remainder denominator nothing left, so 0. So multiplying y into 3y square, 3y cube, y into 2y, 2y square, y into 1, y. So here LHS is equal to RHS. So this is division fact. What is division fact here? Division rule should satisfy. LHS and RHS should be equal. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then only what we need answer is correct. Let us go for one more problem here. So now 4p square given 4p square plus 2p plus 2 whole divided by 2p. So every term should be divided with the 2p. 4p square by 2p plus 2p by 2p plus 2 by 2p. So now that is equal to 2 ones, 2 twos, 2. In p square 1p gets cancelled, p remains. 2p gets cancelled, 1 remains. 2 gets cancelled plus 1 by p. So this is what? Quotient. This is the quotient, and denominator nothing is left, so remainder is equal to 0. Again division fact. So division fact. Dividend is equal to dividend I written in capital letter, divisor small uppercase letter, this is lowercase letter, and quotient plus remainder, which implies dividend. So the numerator one 4p square plus 2p plus 2 is equal to divisor. See what we have divided? 2p into quotient. What we got quotient here? 2p plus 1 by p plus the denominator nothing is there, no remainder is what? 0. So we have to get LHS and RHS same here. 2 into 2 4, p into p square, 2p into 1 2p. So 2p into 1 by p gets cancelled. What will we get here? 2. I will repeat here. 2p into 2p, 4p square, 2 into 2 2 into 2 4, p into p square, 2p into 1 2p, 2p into 1 2p by p, 2p into 1 by p gets cancelled 2. So 4p square, 2p plus 2. So LHS is equal to RHS. So these are also, here also it is satisfying the division rule of division fact. So these are the two problems here. Okay, now here it is also dividing polynomials here. What is the difference between the previous problems here? Means here division of a polynomial by a binomial. Here directly we can't divide by like a fraction, we can't divide here. Here we have to do the division process as we did for the real numbers. By like a division we have to do here also. So dividing the polynomial by binomial, or dividing the polynomial by more than monomial, or binomial or trinomial, anything compulsory we have to follow the division process as well like a real numbers here. So let us do here. This also you learned in 9th class, but again it is given here. So no problem. We are going to learn like once again here division of a polynomial by binomial by using general division process, like as we do in the real numbers here. So now x plus 1 divides 3x square plus x minus 1. It is very important division. You have to learn here. Listen carefully here. So there are some steps you have to follow that. Based on that only we can solve it easily here. So now here this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Here it is a binomial, that's why we have to do the like a division process as we do in the real numbers. As we do for the real numbers, the same way we have to do here. But here we have to follow some steps here. So now to start with the division here with x plus 1 binomial. Here the first term is 3x square. Here the first term is x here. So in rough we have to calculate whatever we get the answer, that we have to write in the quotient, and we have that with the quotient we have to multiply with the divisor. Let us see here how to do this division. So first term by first term. First term is here 3x square divided by x. Then what happens here? 3 here there is no numeral, no 3 as it is we will write in x square. 1x gets cancelled here, 1x remains. So this should be written in the quotient part 3x, and this 3x should be multiplied with the divisor, that is what? X plus 1. So this answer should be written in the quotient, and this answer should be multiplied with the divisor. After multiplying this, we have to write under this division, this dividend. So 3x into x, 3x square plus 3x into 1, 3x. So now these two terms you have to write under this one. So this is 3x square, it is also x square term. So 3x square plus 3x here. It is x term, it is also x term. This is what the 3x. So now as we do in the division of real numbers, we have to subtract here. Plus means minus, plus means minus. 3x square plus 3x square minus 3x square gets cancelled. X minus 3x minus 2x here. Here x means 1x. 1x minus 3x. X minus 3x is equal to minus 2x. You should be very careful as we learned in 8th class here. Subtraction of algebraic expressions here. X minus 3x. Here 1x minus 3x. X minus 3x. Here x means what? 1x. 1x minus 3. 1 minus 3 minus 2. X term minus 2x here. So x minus 3x is equal to minus 2x. Minus 1 as it is here. So this part completed. Again same process we have to repeat here. Again first term by first term. Minus 2x by here first term is what? X. Now you have to divide x gets cancelled. What remains here? Minus 2. This minus 2 should write in the quotient. Here minus 2. This minus 2 should be multiplied with the divisor again. X plus 1. So minus 2 into x minus 2x. Minus 2 into plus 1 minus 2. These two terms should be written in here. Minus 2x minus 2. Minus 2x here. Minus 2x here. First term is what? Minus 2x. Here first term is what? X. Minus 2x by x. X gets cancel. Minus 2. We got minus 2. This minus 2 we have to write in the quotient. This minus 2 should be multiplied with the divisor x plus 1. Minus 2 into x minus 2x. Minus 2 into plus 1 minus 2. These two terms should be written under this one. So minus means plus. Minus means plus. Minus 2x plus 2x gets cancelled. 1 minus 1 plus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 minus 1 1. This is what remainder. This is what remainder and this is what quotient and this is dividend and this is what divisor. Same as usual you can check by the division fact also you can check. Here they did not ask you, we are not checking the division rule. Division fact is what? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If we substitute in this we will get the same answer. So we will go for next problem. Okay children, now fourth one. This is also division of polynomials or dividing polynomials. Divide 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1. Here also dividing the polynomial by binomial. And also what extra they ask in this here, and verify the remainder with the 0 of the divisor. 0 of the divisor means this divisor we have to equate to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 1. That one if you substitute in the given polynomial, whatever the value you get, the same remainder after dividing also you get the same. That we have to verify. Let us see here how to solve this problem. Very important problem. So now x minus 1 divides, this is the divisor, divides 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. So listen carefully again. Same process we are doing. First term by first term. So 2x power 4 by x. So only one numeral, there is no numeral here. 2 in x power 4, 1x gets cancelled, x cube. This should be written here 2x cube into divisor. Divisor is what? X minus 1. 2x cube into x, 2x power 4. 2x cube into 1, 2x cube. It should be written under this 2x power 4 minus 2x cube. I will repeat again. First term by first term. 2x power 4 by x. So here only numeral as it is. X power 4 by x. 1x gets cancelled, x cube. This should be written in the quotient. This is to be multiplied with the divisor x minus 1. 2x cube into x, 2x power 4. 2x cube into 1, 2x cube. These two terms you have to write under these two terms. So again you have to subtract here. Plus nothing is here. Plus here. Minus. Minus means plus. 2x power 4, 2x power 4 gets cancelled. Minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2. X cube term will be as it is. Now you have to calculate numeral. Minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2. Minus 1 minus 1 plus 3. Subtract. 4 minus 2, 2. Here minus value is bigger. No, minus 2 get here. So minus 2 x cube. Here next one what we have here? Minus x. 1 by 1 we have to take as usual in the division of real numbers. This process completed here. Again it will continue. First term. First term by first term. Minus 2x cube by x. Only one numeral, no numerator. So minus 2. 1x gets cancelled. Here x square remains. Here we will write as 2x square in the quotient. This is to be multiplied with again divisor x minus 1. Minus 2. Here nothing, no numeral, no. Minus 2 as x square into x, x cube. Minus into minus plus 2x square into 1, 2x square. So here there is no x square term. So even then there is no x square term, as it is we write here, separately we write here. So there is no x square term. No, if you want to write means here 0x square you can write. So here there is no x square term, then you can write here 0x square. Actually x power 4 x cube x square term. There is no x square term, no 0x square. So instead of 3x we are taking what here 0x square here. So now these two terms should be written here. That is minus 2x cube plus 2x square. So plus you can write as 0, nothing will happen here. We are writing 0x square. Why we are writing 0x square? There is no x square term. Directly after x cube they have taken x term here. So that's why we are writing 0x square, because it should continue in the descending order. So minus means plus, plus means minus. Both gets minus 2x cube plus 2x gets cancelled. 0 minus 2 minus 2x square. Next what we have here minus 3x. Again completed. Again it will repeat. This process will repeat. First term by first term. Minus 2x square by first term is x. Minus 2 asterisk, because only one numerator is known in the no numerator in the denominator. X, one x gets cancelled. X. This minus 2x we will write here. It is to be multiplied with x minus 1. That is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 means asterisk x into x square, minus into minus plus 2x into 1 2x. So minus 2x square plus 2x. So minus means plus, signs will change, plus means minus. Minus 2x square plus 2x square gets cancelled. Minus 3x minus 2x minus 5x. Minus 5x. Next what left here? Minus 1. So here first we have taken this term, these two terms taken. Next we have taken here x square term not there, no, x square. Next 3x. Next 3x. Next we are taking 1. So this completed here. Again this process will continue. Minus 5x. First term minus 5x by first term x. X gets cancelled, minus 5. This minus 5 should be written here in the quotient. This is to be multiplied with the divisor x minus 1. That is equal to minus 5 into x, 5x, minus into minus plus 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 1, 5 here. So now what do you get here? Minus 5x plus 5. So minus means plus, plus means minus. Minus 5x plus 5x gets cancelled. Minus 1, minus 5. Minus 6, minus 1, minus 1, both are minus, we have to add 6, 1, 5, 6, both are minus sign, minus 6 here. So that this is what remainder. This is what remainder is equal to minus 6. So here we got remainder minus 6. What they ask here, divide the polynomial by binomial x minus and verify the remainder. Here we got remainder minus 6. And also verify the remainder with 0 of the divisor. 0 of the divisor means we have to equate the divisor with equal to 0. This is the divisor. X minus 1 you have to equate to the 0. X is equal to minus 1 transform plus 1. This one we have to substitute in the given polynomial. So p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. This is a polynomial. Now what is given here? Verify the remainder with the 0 of the divisor. It is 0 of the divisor means x minus 1 is the divisor. We have to equate to 0 and we have to find the value of x. X value is 1. Now the given polynomial is what? 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. Minus 3x minus 1. In this x value substitute, if we substitute x value 1, what should get the remainder? Minus 6. Then only what the division we did is correct. Then only it is correct. Otherwise, anyway somewhere it will be wrong. So let us verify this one now here. X value we have to substitute 1. P of 1 value. What you should get the remainder here? Remainder should be what? To minus 6. Let us verify here. By substituting in place of x1, so 2 into x means 1, 1 cube, 4 into x means 1, 1 cube, minus 3 into x means 1, minus 1. So 1 cube is 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 cube, sorry here 1, 2x power 4. So here 4, 1 power 4, 1, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 2, 2. So 1 power 4, 2, 1 into 2, 2, 1 cube 1, 1 into 4, 4, 3 into 1, 3, minus 1. That is equal to, these are negative, minus 4, minus 3, minus 7, minus 1, minus 8. 2 minus 8, minus 6. Here also the remainder is minus 6, here also the remainder is minus 6. So it is verified.